we are going to discuss question number 2 of exercise 2.2 of class 10 NCERT, which is also a last question of this exercise. So here we start. Find a quadratic polynomial each with the given number as the sum and product of zeros respectively. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करनी है और क्या कहते हैं उसका सम और जीरोस जो होंगे, जीरोस एंड सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस जो हमारे हैं वो गिवन है. सो हियर वी स्टार्ट पार्ट 1. पार्ट 1 इज 1/4 एंड -1. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद सॉल्यूशन. सॉल्यूशन इज let the zeros of polynomial, आपको zeros given है, let the zeros of polynomials alpha and beta. alpha and beta आपने पढ़ा था सम होता है, सम ऑफ जीरोस होते हैं एंड दूसरा होता है प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरो. सम इज जीरो विच इज एडिशन. तो अल्फा और बीटा आपके सम है, आपको गिवन है ये 1/4. सेम विद प्रोडक्ट. प्रोडक्ट मीन मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड प्रोडक्ट इज गिवन एज दिस. सो हाउ टू फाइंड पॉलिनोमियल, क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. पॉलिनोमियल्स is given by क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल फाइंड करने की इक्वेशन होती है विच इज x² माइनस अल्फा प्लस बीटा x प्लस अल्फा बीटा. सी हियर, इधर आपको दोनों जीरोस का सम दिया है, इधर आपको प्रोडक्ट दिया है. तो हमें जो हमें गिवन है ना सम ऑफ जीरोस एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस इस इक्वेशन में फाइंड करेंगे. x² अल्फा एंड बीटा हमें क्या दिया है 1/4x एंड अल्फा प्लस अल्फा इंटू बीटा इज -1. अब इनका एलसीएम लेंगे, ये हो जाएगा 4x² माइनस x माइनस 4. ये देखिए हमारी क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल की इक्वेशन बन गई. दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ मूव टू पार्ट 2. नाउ द सेकंड पार्ट इज √2 and 1/3. So here we start with solution. Let the zeros of polynomial alpha and beta, same alpha plus beta which is sum of zeros is √2 and alpha multiply beta which is product of zeros which is 1/3. Same, put these values in equation. So required equation is x² minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So here we put both these values in this equation. x², alpha plus beta is √2 and alpha into beta is 1/3. So taking LCM, 3x² minus 3√2x plus 1. This is our quadratic polynomial equation. This is the part 2. Hope you all are understanding the concept. We now move to part 3. Now part 3 which is 0, √5. Here start with solution. Let the zeros of polynomial be alpha and beta. Okay. Sum of zeros which is alpha plus beta is 0 and alpha into beta which is product of zeros which is √5. The next step is required equation. Required equation is x² minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So here we put both these values in this equation. x² alpha plus beta is 0, x. Same with this, product of zeros √5. Multiply any number on any alphabet with 0, so answer is 0 and plus √15. So here is the equation which is x² plus √5. This is part 3. Now move to part 4. Now fourth part which is 1 and 1. Let the zeros of a polynomial be alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta which is sum 1 and alpha into beta, which is product, is also a 1. So here required equation is, this is a very simple exercise. You just have to put values in equation. Minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. You just have to put the value in this. X square, alpha plus beta is 1x and alpha into beta is 1. X square minus x plus 1. Here are equation of quadratic polynomial x square minus x plus 1. This is a part 4. This is a very simple exercise. Hope you all are understand. Now part 5th is minus 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. So here we start with solution. Let the zeros of a polynomial be alpha and beta. First step is alpha plus beta, which is sum of zeros, minus 1 upon 4. And product of zeros is 1 upon 4. Here we have to put these values in given equation, which is required equation. And required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Put both these values in this and we can find our quadratic polynomial equation. X square minus alpha plus beta is minus of 1 upon 4x. Same with this, alpha into beta is 1 upon 4. Minus minus plus this. Taking LCM both sides, plus 1. This is our quadratic polynomial equation. This is part 5th. Now part 6, which is the last part of this exercise. Part 6 is 4, 1. Let the zeros of a polynomial be alpha and beta. Here alpha plus beta, sum of zeros, which is 4, and same with this, alpha into beta, which is product, it's 1. So here required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. So here put these values in this equation and we can find our quadratic polynomial equation. X square alpha plus beta is 4 x and alpha into beta is 1. So our equation is x square 4 minus 4x plus 1. This is our quadratic polynomial equation. This is the second question of exercise 2.2. I hope you all understand the concept and like my video, and please share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.